Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix images are not showing when we are using wprocket plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see our logo is not show. We are using wprocket plugin. So we are going to fix this. Now go to wprocket plugin setting. So we are in setting and then you see we are in media section. Now you see lazy load. So disable this option and then click on save changes. Now setting saved and you see this option disable. Now again go to website. Now add your website URL. Now you see our logo is showing on our website in mobile layout also. But we disable this option in wprocket plugin enable for images. Mostly this error occur because plugin and theme conflict. So you can install any other lazy load plugin or you can enable this option and then exclude images one by one. So you can add your images URL here to exclude for lazy load. So if you have any issue in any page, so you want to exclude specific page from lazy load, then you can enable this option and then go to any edit page. Now we are in edit page and then you see option lazy load for images. If option is enabled from this setting, then you can disable lazy load for specific page from here. So you can disable option from here to disable lazy load for any page, or you can use any other lazy load plugin. Mostly this error occur because of conflict between themes and plugin. Now again go to wprocket setting and then you see file optimization. So click on it. If your issue is not solved by disabling lazy load for images, then you can disable this option delay JavaScript execution. So you can disable this option and your issue will be fixed. If you want to enable this option, then you can disable setting from here. You can disable plugin or themes according to your requirement. Mostly this issue fixed by disabling option in media section. Now go to media. So you can disable this option or you can enable option from here and then go to any edit page to disable option from there. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.